Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Niculescu and today I will present you a very powerful data loader from the Salesforce Connector. So download the Salesforce Connector from UiPath Go. Then after you install it on UiPath, you will see under UiPath Salesforce Lightning Platform. And today we'll talk about big data and we'll talk about the wizard on big data. So I already have the wizard for big data here, but let's first understand something. So when you add an account, for example, you will have a window like this, yeah, where you have the account name, which is mandatory, and other stuff that are mandatory. Sometimes mandatory can be a combo box here, yeah, and a combo box you have defined data, predefined data. If you try to use the data, the data uploader, and add here some data that is not part of the combo box, you will see that he will add this data even he has an issue. And I will show you now that the wizard will do the same stuff without using the analyze. So let's see what we have. I will have this Excel file, yeah? And you see here I have an error on automotive. Instead of automotive, I put an A, yeah? So we'll put the name, the industry, the currency, and the billing country. So what I will do, I will go here, I'll say start the wizard, and I will do it like this. First I will connect to have the connection. So I have the connection and I will start the wizard, yeah? When I start the wizard will ask me for a model, yeah? So I'll provide him a model. The model is the Excel file that we have here, yeah? And here it's with automotive. So let's say save on this one. Let's provide him the model. This is the model. And I'm able to put this wherever I want, but I will put it now on the account. And I will do the procedure add, yeah? So if I would say generate matching, the system will match what I have on my Excel with what I have on my Salesforce, yeah? So the system will have the knowledge to be able to match the columns from my Excel with the columns that I have on my Salesforce, yeah? And you see here that are big list and so on. So if I hit save, and if I will go to the to run the robot, to be able to see that I run the robot, I read the data from Excel and I provide the data here. If I run the robot will add my data. You can add 10,000 elements in one comment, and he will add my data to my Salesforce instance. But I want to show you what will happen on the first row. So you see I have the data added. Okay, good. So let's go and check here on the account. So let's go and search account, and let's say it was test E1, yeah, test E1. Good. Let's see what we have on test E1. This is test E1 with Japan and so on. And if we go to the details, you will see here that on the combo box, he put industry automotive exactly with the error that I have, yeah? So I had an error and he copy paste on this combo box that error. Good. Now let's do something else. So let's do something else. Now I have here, you see automotive, I have retail with error, I have Japan and France. What I will do on this wizard, you have the capacity to analyze data. So I will tell the system to analyze list, yeah, and I will run it. So I hope I saved this one. No, my bad. So the system will be able to analyze the data, yeah. So the system will be able to analyze the data, and if he's analyzing the data, he will put inside of the Salesforce, he will put the correct data, yeah. So inside of the Salesforce, now you will see the correct data. So you see here both are with true, and let's see the data inside. So here inside of Salesforce I have the account E1, and on the account test E1 we have the value automotive. So the system was able to correct my bad data. Okay, Now, let's go to the next step and see what else can do the system. So let's now understand how powerful can be this wizard. So on an account, I talk about account, but can work with any type of objects. You can put, for example, you can change the account owner, yeah? But it's an ID from another table, from user table. So if you give him only the name, the system will not be able to upload this. You will see that the wizard will be able to do this. And so on. So let me show you what I will do. So I will have an Excel like this, yeah? With account owner with a name. Normally you need to provide an ID if you use the data loader. That's the idea. In this case, you'll provide the name. And you see that the name has some mistakes. First is Gabriel, and the second one is Gabriela. In the database, you have only Gabriela. You see here the account type, it's customer or custom without error. So each data from my point have errors. Here I put a UiPath without age. Here I don't have enterprise. Here it's wrong written Romania, and so on. So inside of this Excel file, I have also data that I don't use. So there are columns that are not be used in my adding data to the Salesforce. So let's see what the wizard will do. So what we'll do, we'll go here, we'll start the wizard, and we'll say this. Okay, I will give you this model. The model is here, this one, yeah? Good, I want to put it on account and I want to do add. So I will say generate. So the system will analyze everything that I have on the Excel, and he will compare with what fields I have on Salesforce, and he will indicate me exactly what fields are. Take a look. This one, it was a fake one. So we can delete this one. Yeah. This one, it's again a fake one. If it's not a fake, you have here all the lists from Salesforce, and you can double click and you add it on the side. But in my case, it's a fake. Okay. Here, you can see that account owner, record type, and so on, they are referenced. So they are referenced to the other objects from Salesforce. In this case, I provide him the names, and the system will have the power to go and identify the ID of that person's. So even I provide the names in the Excel file, because I'm a normal user. I'm not a user that knows all the details about Salesforce. So I provide, okay, I have this data with broken data, and like I said, I can have 10,000 here. And the system will be clever to identify if it's name or an ID, you need to extract the name, even if the name has errors. So here, take a look. He's not able to identify the consumer, yeah? So he crashed here. And let me tell you why he crashed. Because here, I put just analyze list. And that is an ID. If I will put a full analyze and I'll run it again, the system will be able to do a full analyze, so including the ID. On the settings that I have, it was just the list. If you remember, it was the list with the pig list, and because of that, he was not able to correct all the data. In this way, if you will analyze both the ID and the list values, the system will be able to correct all the data. And after you correct all the data, let's see that he will finish. In one activity, so basically it's just this wizard, in one activity the system is able to correct all the data from the list, from the multiple list, and also from the reference. So he is able to correct all your data, and after he corrects all the data, he will put all the data on Salesforce. And we'll show you the results on Salesforce. Yeah. So we have both done. And let's see, it was the first corporation and the second corporation. So let's go here and go to accounts and say first corporation. Corporation, yeah. So you see there that they already have the first corporation. Yeah, with all the details. So you see here is Gabriela, and on my Excel, if you remember, it was a broken data. So you see on my Excel, on the beginning, I have Gabriel. So he was able to also correct this data. And he put everything, all the details very well because he has the power to correct all the data. So let's understand. This wizard from the component, so from UiPath team, Salesforce, Lightning platform, big data, wizard, big data. It's probably the most powerful data loader for Salesforce. You can upload in one activity 10,000 rows in Salesforce, and you can have a full analysis of these rows. I mean, identify the correct big list data, multiple list, and all the IDs. If you provide him names, he will be able to provide all the IDs, do the matching, and create a perfect clean data in Salesforce. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.